Condenser pad too small? ACGuard can still be secured if the pad clearance is insufficient. You'll need a few extra items: post hole digger or spade, bag of sackcrete, tap cons, and water of course. Assemble the cage so that the legs extend beyond the pad. Set the cage over the condenser to identify both lock locations. Mark the sides, lean the cage back over, and dig spade depth. Fill each hole with half the bag of sackcrete. Add water, allowing to saturate the mix. In a few minutes, lean the cage back, centered over the condenser, and specifically mark where your brackets go. Always ensure the loop is away from the pad. Push in both tap cons, return the cage into place, and ensure the loop is in the proper position that inserts through the foot bracket. Some leveling of the cage into the dirt may be required. Secure locks and you're finished. Congratulations! ACGuard locks come with a magnetic hide-a-key box. We recommend you place this on the inside air handler for easy retrieval.